Understanding what tools you have and when to use them in your language classroom is one of the things that make you a good language teacher. And there is no one approach that works 100% of the time to every single student and lesson. So you should have an array of strategies at your disposal to use in various lessons. Today we're going to be looking at a memory work strategy or pronunciation practice. This is some sort of a drill that you might use in your language class that focuses attention on pronunciation. You do not want to be correcting pronunciation all the time in all your students, but having designated and focused time where you practice some of the more difficult elements of the language is a very helpful thing to have as part of your routine. You could do this for days of the week, colors, counting, shapes. They are taught and presented, but you focus on good pronunciation in each of those elements. Some other examples might be the phonetic system. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ka, te, ti, to, tu. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. What about the clicks? Iqanda, amaqanda. Iqoqo, hlanganisa, hlala phansi, pheka, bheka. Here you want to find things that are closely related, words that are almost tongue twisters or silly rhymes. We do this in English, why not do it in your target language? It's a fun 5-minute element to your lesson that the kids can look forward to as part of your routine. And I hope you will include pronunciation practice and memory work in your language classroom.